dear Student Alliance community members, thank you so much for all the love and support you've been given us. My name is Shahrukh. In today's OLABS series, we're going to talk about a very interesting topic that comes in your physics, especially for your 11th and 12th standard, and that's basically refraction through a prism. Now, what happens is, including me, a lot of people while growing up thought physics was a very difficult subject. Now, looking at this, it has become more interesting, and I'll show you how it is done. Now, click on the OLABS physics section, click on refraction through a prism, click on your simulator. Now, as you see a simulator, you can start your experiment where you can show the angle of incidence. For example, say that you've kept your angle of incidence as 45 degrees. Show result. You can see the different rays that can emerge just by clicking this option. Now imagine every student doing this feature where you can select any angle possible and you can see the angle of incidence and angle of reflection at the same time. Imagine how wide your creative perspective would become using such a feature. So with this, now I'm really clear as to what is the angle of incidence and what is the angle of deviation and how I can use these concepts on my day-to-day studies. Hope that really helps you. Thank you so much.